Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at chichikia.com, an online clothing store specializing in simple, relaxed, and slightly vintage women's fashion. It sounds lovely on paper, comfortable clothes for everyday life. But let's be real, the world definitely needs another mysterious clothing site with a name that sounds like a suppressed sneeze. The big question is, can you actually trust them? At first glance, the website looks impressive with its cute, aesthetic photos. But a quick reverse image search via Google Lens reveals the truth. These photos were shamelessly lifted from other websites. Apparently, originality wasn't in their marketing budget this year, and if a brand can't even bother to take a picture of their own product, they probably shouldn't be trusted with your credit card details. Moving on to their social media presence, or lack thereof. We checked Facebook and Instagram, and the results were a big fat zero. No posts, no reels, and no sign of life. In today's world, having no social media presence is basically the digital equivalent of living in a bunker wearing a tinfoil hat. Their About Us page is equally helpful, featuring no names, no faces, and absolutely no brand story. It's almost like they're trying to remain anonymous, which is a great strategy for international spies, but a bit of a deal breaker for a retail business. Things get even better when you look at their contact information. They provide an email and a phone number, which seems professional until you check the physical address and realize the building listed is permanently closed. If your order goes missing, I suppose you could try sending a carrier pigeon to that abandoned warehouse, but I wouldn't hold my breath for a reply. As for the reviews, the ones on their site are suspiciously perfect. However, a quick trip to Trustpilot or Reddit reveals absolutely nothing. If a store has 5 stars on its own page but doesn't exist anywhere else on the internet, it's not a hidden gem, it's a trap. To sum it all up, we have stolen images, 0 social media, a ghost town office, and non-existent external reviews. With this many red flags, chichikia.com is looking less like a fashion destination and more like a cautionary tale. It might be tempting, but you're better off keeping your money where it belongs, in your wallet. Thanks for watching. If this saved your bank account, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and shopping safety tips. Stay smart, shop safe, and we'll see you in the next one.